Is Cisco Webex using too much CPU on your computer? High CPU usage can cause slow performance, overheating, loud fan noise, and lag during meetings. In this tutorial, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix Cisco Webex high CPU usage in 2026. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure you're running the latest version of Cisco Webex. Open the app, click your profile picture, and select Check for Updates if the option is available. Newer releases often include performance improvements and bug fixes that reduce unnecessary CPU usage. Next, close programs you're not using, especially web browsers with many tabs, video editing software, or other apps that consume a lot of system resources. This frees up CPU power and allows Webex to run more smoothly. If your computer struggles during meetings, try turning off HD video when it's not necessary. Use a virtual background only if your device can handle it. And close extra camera applications running in the background. You know, video processing is one of the biggest sources of CPU usage. Completely close Cisco Webex after your meeting ends, then restart the application. If CPU usage remains unusually high, restart your computer to clear temporary processes and free up system resources. I mean, this simple step often resolves performance issues. If the problem continues, check your computer's available memory, processor usage, and storage space using Task Manager. Older hardware or limited system resources may cause Webex to consume more CPU than expected. In that case, reducing background tasks or upgrading your hardware may improve performance. And that's how to fix Cisco Webex high CPU usage in 2026. Hopefully, these tips help your meetings run faster and more smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.